Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Toyota Highlander rear wiper. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and ensuring the vehicle is stable. Put on safety glasses and gloves, and gather a small tray for parts. Clear the hatch area and lay down a soft cloth to protect paint. Stay calm and move through steps slowly to avoid breaking plastic clips or scratching glass. Collect a 10 mm socket, a short extension, and a flathead screwdriver before you start. Open the rear hatch and prop it securely while you work. Place a towel under the wiper base to protect the paint from tools and slipping hands. If you expect to replace the blade or arm, have the new parts on hand so you can finish in one session. Working prepared keeps things quick and neat. Start by lifting the wiper arm carefully until it holds away from the glass. Pry off the small plastic cap at the pivot to expose the 10 mm nut. Use the socket to remove that nut, keeping the socket steady to avoid slipping. Gently wiggle the arm on the spline post while lifting straight up to disengage it. Clean the post, inspect for corrosion, and replace or reinstall the arm as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.